Good morning and welcome to my punk shop. I'm embarking on a new project. For 10 years, Bill and I have been blowing glass at Ravalli County Fair. And every year I like to have a show piece of some type that kind of showcases where Bill and I are at and what we're doing. He's been working in the electronics lab, building different type of electronics, and he has a laser cutter that he's been using. And I've been doing little sculptural pieces that are lit up. And the first year I introduced this was 3 years ago, and it was a piece of Godzilla trying to save the Titanic. And I'll show you. And then last year I did a piece where I had a broken chair, kitchen chair, and so you have a broken chair, you turn it into an art piece. So I did a little landscape of Yellowstone because it has a lot to do with, I grew up outside of Yellowstone National Park and I spent a lot of time there and I love it. One of my favorite pools is a Grand Prism pool. And so I have on this sculpture Lewis and Clark expedition coming out of the woods to the Grand Prism pool. Little do they know Godzilla is in there, because, you know, that's how I roll. So this piece is really cool. It's, I have to give credit to Boylei Hobby Time on YouTube. He did this incredible video of ghost ships attacks pirates on the high sea. And if you get a chance, check it out. Like him, follow him. He's one of the guys that I subscribe to. He just does cool stuff. And so he inspired this project that I'm working on. And so I'm using the same two type of ships. One is the Henry Morgan, and then the other is the Flying Dutchman. Henry Morgan. I have masts and rigging and stuff. Flying Dutchman. Now both of these pieces come apart so far. And then I have LED lights that I'll be wiring into both ships. And Bill has an Arduino card that he's programming that will attach to these LED lights. And so the lights will come on simultaneously through the cannon as the ships are facing each other. And I'll also have lights in the water, which I'll do in acrylic. So it'll be kind of fun. So travel with me through this journey. It's going to be a wild journey, and see where my progress takes me. Thank you for watching, and have an awesome day. Bye-bye.